Hello, this is Dr. Cole Woolley, and this lesson is called Manipulated Grade Essential Oils. There are these 4 different quality levels of essential oils, and manipulated essential oils are second from the top. They're all natural, that's the good part, but they're very prevalent. About 80 to 90% of the natural oils on the market are manipulated. Now, manipulated oils are by definition, they're all natural. They're very prevalent in the market. Most retail essential oils and most oils that are sold with third-party tested results are manipulated grade essential oils or even lower. Now, most of these are purchased at cheaper than the fair market value, so that's unethical and unwise. Now, manipulated grade essential oils are usually looked at as a natural plus another natural essential oils that are put together. And it's usually species A that's very expensive and species B that's inexpensive, and add maybe anywhere from 5 to 50% of the inexpensive one. Well, it makes for a very inexpensive blend of essential oils, manipulated blend of essential oils that you can now sell for the price of genuine grade essential oils. Manipulated grade essential oils are defined as a blend of natural plus natural, usually species 1 and species 2, or species A and B. They're different species and you put them together. Usually one's inexpensive and one's expensive. So you add the inexpensive oil into the expensive one, and then you sell it for the high price of genuine grade essential oil. Now, you can also make manipulated grade essential oils by taking a genuine grade oil and mixing in a fraction or a portion of that same type of oil, and you blend it together and you make manipulated oil and sell it for a genuine price. Or you can take a manipulated blend of essential oils, add in a isolate, which is one molecule, one component into the essential oil. Like we talked about menthol. Menthol could go into peppermint. That would be an example. Now, people make manipulated grade essential oils because they smell better that way and they make more money. So it's all about the money. Now, let me show you an example, 2 examples of manipulated grade essential oils. So this is manipulated peppermint. Now, if you want to find manipulated peppermint essential oil, you'll find that it has its sources in India. The peppermint oil, you can blend in corn mint DMO. DMO means dementholated oil, and that comes from India. Or you can take peppermint oil and add in menthol crystals. Menthol crystals come from India too. So what to look out for is also peppermint essential oil that has menthol content greater than 40%, like 42, 44, 48%. Anything like that means they've added menthol crystals in there and manipulated the oil. They usually do that for the aroma, but also the price. They usually spend less than fair market value for oils like this, and that's an indication. So they turn around and sell it to you at a lower price, and you say, oh, I made a great deal. You didn't get a genuine grade essential oil. You bought it for the genuine grade price, but you received manipulated grade essential oils. So watch out for these peppermint oil from India, for the menthol crystals, and the corn mint DMO that's added to them. And now another example of manipulated oil is manipulated tea tree oil. Typically, manipulated tea tree oil comes from India. There's very good tea tree oil that comes from both South Africa and Australia. Australia in particular, they made up a special test where they test a compound called terpenine 4-ol for chirality. That means the left-hand molecules and right-hand molecules are tested to see if they're in the right proportion. That's why I prefer that you look for tea tree essential oil that comes from Australia. Now, manipulated tea tree oil has no chiral tests for handedness. It has no chiral tests for terpenine 4-ol. So these are the things to watch out for. If they don't have these tests, then you're probably getting manipulated tea tree oil. So if you want to get the best essential oils. You don't want manipulated grade essential oils. You want genuine grade essential oils. And you'll find those if your company has smart scientists, has a research budget, has a quality control budget, they have instrumentation and research and quality control, they have smart scientists in both, and they have quality control standards, and they control the supply chain. Those are the things to watch out for.